The smartest way of keeping your home hygienic has arrived. Using UV technology, the UV Cleanizer Zoom eliminates bacteria and keeps your family safe. What is UV Cleanizer Zoom? The UV Cleanizer Zoom is the most powerful in the lineup, and it is already making an impact on many hospitals around the world. UV Cleanizer Zoom is a portable bacteria-killing robot that uses UVC rays to kill germs in the fastest and most efficient way. Its small size allows you to carry it along whenever you wish since germs are always everywhere. UV Cleanizer Zoom was developed by Infection Prevention Technologies (IPT), a well-established company dealing with bacterial cleaning devices. When the colder months approach, the spread of germs and bacteria around the home can result in weeks of illnesses. This is especially the case when children come home, bringing with them the bacteria from the playground. These germs often spread around your home, making it feel inevitable that you will pick up an unwanted illness from somewhere. Also, when traveling for work or pleasure, you never know how clean a hotel surface is. There are ways of making sure you protect yourself against unwanted sniffles and influenza, such as the bacteria-killing gadget that is UV Cleanizer Zoom. Modern technology at its best. There are plenty of gadgets on the market that make life easier, but the best ones are often the products that keep you safe. UV Cleanizer Zoom uses UVC lights and 18 sensors to kill the likes of dust mites, germs, bacteria, and other invisible nastiest. This will allow you to rest easy, knowing you are protected. Incredibly clever. One glance at the simple-looking device and it is hard to believe that it can be so intuitive. It uses sensors to guide itself to the edge of your bed, turning so it never falls off. These sensors help it to navigate its way around your home and bed, making sure it covers all surfaces to leave the area hygienic. Changeable modes that work. Because the technology is new, a lot of other models aren't able to give you added features. UV Cleanizer Zoom is built a little different. With 2 timers, you can set the clever device to cover an area for either 30 or 60 minutes. However, if you want to choose a specific area, then you can strap it to your hand and move it around, getting into those tight corners and kill the bacteria. This allows you to go over pillowcases, blankets, hotel beds and beyond before you rest in them. Lightweight yet very sturdy. You often hear about the horror stories of travel where people have taken a closer look into the cleanliness of hotel rooms. Some stories are truly shocking, which is why it is important to kill the bacteria in a room that isn't yours. Because it is so light, UV Cleanizer Zoom is easy to keep in your travel bag. Weighing at just 320 grams, for many people, it is the first thing to go into their suitcase before leaving home. Despite this, it is a remarkably sturdy device that feels like it can survive the knocks and bumps that such devices often endure. It has loads of added features. If you are choosing to clean your furniture and bed linen the old-fashioned way, the only function such a method serves is cleanliness. Whilst this is important, it is limited in what it offers. UV Cleanizer Zoom is useful because it also doubles up as a power bank, charging other 5V devices at the same time. This saves you a lot of time and effort trying to find a power source for your other gadgets. This includes mobile phones, so even if you forget your charger when at a hotel, the UV Cleanizer Zoom can be used to save the day. A long battery life to last for hours. Some rooms appear dirtier than others, but it's the bacteria and germs you can't see that should be the biggest concern. Even in a larger space, UV Cleanizer Zoom can help to make sure it is as hygienic as possible. With 3-hour battery life, it can cover a lot of ground, using UV technology to kill bacteria in big rooms. A versatile product. To give your bed a thorough clean, you will need to put in a lot of work. Getting under the sheets, on top, and everywhere in between can be a chore. Because UV Cleanizer Zoom is robust and powerful, it can be placed under your duvet and it will use its sensors to cover all areas. As long as the surface is relatively flat, it'll make light work of large beds. A safe way to rid a room of bugs. The usual methods of eliminating bugs and bacteria involve harsh chemicals. Even washing bedding at high temperatures itself can be bad for the environment. Although those methods often make surfaces clean, the chemicals from cleaning products can do damage in their own way. UV Cleanizer Zoom represents the future of cleanliness. Because it uses UV technology, it is environmentally friendly and better for human skin. Use it on any surface. Because of the handheld mode, this smart device can be smoothed over the surface of hotel room items such as the TV remote, hairdryer, desktop surfaces and beyond. This helps you to clean the most common areas to house bacteria. Also, it is great for killing bacteria on kids' toys, keeping the whole family safe. How much does UV Cleanizer Zoom cost? Forget about expensive and chemical ways to get rid of germs and bacteria. Don't spend your money on the traditional cleaning products that aren't effective. We thought that UV Cleanizer Zoom would fall into the same category, and we couldn't be more wrong. It costs only $99 with free shipping worldwide. How can you get your own UV Cleanizer Zoom? You can now get your UV Cleanizer Zoom 50% cheaper at the introductory price. Order UV Cleanizer Zoom from the official site. Enjoy a clean and healthy space with family and friends. Get UV Cleanizer Zoom 50% off and with free shipping worldwide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.